you in the club?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kaylee and I'm here with a Hello Kitty Smurf giant surprise Play-Doh egg. And she has lots of surprises hiding in here, so let's go ahead and unwrap this egg and check out what's in it. And first up, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Heroes vs. Villains vinyl figure. And it looks like I got its General Hopper from A Bug's Life. He is the bad guy. Look how he has one yellow eye and one white eye. That makes him look especially mean. And next up, I'm gonna see what's in this Imaginext blind bag. There's only a couple I haven't collected so far. One of them is the clown. Oh my gosh, I think I got the same thing. I probably have the biggest collection of this space gorilla ever. I think I've collected at least 3 or 4 of these. I like his banana gun though. Let's see if I can find something new in my next surprise. Like the Hot Wheels mystery model blind bag. Usually I get something new every time I open this. And this time I got a Power Pro. I've definitely never opened this before. It's got a crazy looking Z stripe on it and a spoiler on the back. This car should be really, really fast. And it has glass over the engine. That looks really cool. No tinted windows this time though. Here's a closer look. The windows are open. And you can see the sound system in the back. This car is called the Power Pro. And next up, I'm gonna open this Marvel figure mascot keychain. And I got Captain America. I'm not sure if I've collected this one before. If I have, maybe only once before. He's really cute. Okay, let's see what's in the Shopkins Season 2 basket. And I think this one's name is Cherry Churro or Cheeky Churro. I know it's a churro. And the other one that I got is, I forget this one's name. I think it's an air freshener, but I can't remember what her name is. Okay, so the first one is gonna be in the sweet treat section, and it is Cherry Churro. At least I was right about that one. And Cherry Churro has a green circle next to her name, so she's rare. And then if you look in the cleaning section, we've got, oh that's right, Brie Freshener. And she has a white circle, so she is a common. Okay, next up, I'm gonna open this My Little Pony blind bag. Ooh, we got a blue and red pony. This looks like a boy pony. He has, I think that's popcorn as his cutie mark. It says that he is, yeah, it is a boy. His name is Apple Split. So I guess these are apples? All it says about him is that he is so friendly. That's all we get. So I looked him up did a little pony research and I found that his cutie mark is 3 split apples. So I was right. They do kind of look like bushels of popcorn or like bags of popcorn, but they're apples. He's cute, isn't he? Okay, let's see what's next. Another Shopkins basket, this time season 3. And it is toasty bread. It's the one in the brown color with the pink splash, so it looks like jelly. And toasty bread is a common. And for our next one, ooh, it's Beverly Hills. I know her. I can't remember if she's common yet. Yes, Beverly Hills is common. She reminds me of Promi from season 1. Okay, let's see what's next. A McStuffins Fash'ems squishy. And her name is Hallie the Hippo, and she is a nurse. Usually she wears glasses, just regular eyeglasses, but here it looks like she has red tinted sunglasses. Let's see what else we got. It is another Fash'ems, this time Sophia the First. Maybe I'll get lucky and get Sophia this time. Nope. It's not Sophia. It's Clover, the rabbit. He's giving somebody side-eye. Okay, let's see what's next. Next up is going to be a chocolate surprise egg with Disney princesses. Who is it? Oh, it's Aurora, or Sleeping Beauty. And she's wearing a pink dress. Sometimes her dress is blue. And there she is. Pretty. Her dress is kind of sparkly. I love Sleeping Beauty's hair, how it curls up at the end. Okay, I've got a few left, and it looks like I have a Shopkins Season 2. And I got Coffee Toffee. I love coffee. Oops. There's Coffee Toffee. He's cute. Or is it Toffee Coffee? I'm probably saying it wrong. But I know that he lives in the pantry. So here's the pantry section, and there's Toffee Coffee, that's right. And he is a rare. Cool. Alright, so that's all in that bag. Let's see what we got next. It's a soft spot puppy. And the color we got is purple. And look how grumpy he looks. I don't know if he's grumpy or silly or what. He is purple, so he's Trouble Spot. Yeah, he does look like trouble. Let's see what his little fortune says. There's always a little fortune in here. It says, be proud of who you are, even if you're trouble. That's cute. That is a good reminder. You should be proud of who you are. And for our last surprise, it is a Peppa Pig blind bag. And it's her little bunny friend, whose name is Rebecca Rabbit. Aww. My two best friends are named Rebecca. Both of them. and I call them both Becca. I like Rebecca's. They're good people. Okay guys, that's all the surprises for this video, but if you would like to see more, just click on the thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite surprise was that I opened up. My favorite would be Treble Spot. I think he's so cute, and he kind of matches my nails. This is Kaylee for DCTC, and as always, thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews.
DCTC. And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.